have an Echelon reunion.
That would be fun.
Oh my God.
Oh wow, look at all the fucking trees that have
Look
snapped.
at this. The creek just ran over everything. This house is so fortunate it didn't get any damage.
Yeah.
Whoa, this must have been underwater. Wow, the mighty creek.
Honestly, it's like, what are we going to be able to do?
I don't know, but this damage is
Unbelievable.
pretty widespread. Looks like they have a few people working though. The men's retreat is here and it looks like they're cleaning up. The pool is out of water, so that's good.
I'll be over in a little bit. I'm just gonna get this little area right
Krista,
here.
you're the machine.
Yes, I am the machine.
So why don't you stop and get some lunch? You're not hungry?
No, I just had breakfast.
Okay.
Yeah, and I'm feeling like Lagatha from Vikings right now. I've got a tool.
You're
I'm
ready.
gonna kick some ass.
I love
Yeah.
it.
I think we need a selfie.
Okay, this is a video selfie.
Oh, it's a video selfie?
Yeah.
What's up?
Hey! Hi everybody!
What's up, G?
We're going to the cafeteria. Okay, this is looking good. It looks like we're making progress. This was all covered with mud before, and now it's actually joggable.
Who are you gonna call? Floodbusters.
We look great.
All right.
Okay, so we're down here at the, what do we call this? The fire pit amphitheater, right?
The Alibi Amphitheater.
The Alibi Amphitheater, thank you for that. Yep, and this was full of water not even, what, a week ago, was
Yeah.
it? And I guess the water went, well, we can't, there's the water line. Let me show you. There you go. So it's over their heads just about. And now,
taller than the water line.
I think we're gonna have camp again.
Yeah.
Cool. How many echelon does it take to destroy one triad? Well, there you have it.
Is that going to be a joke now?
This will never get on HGTV. Here lies the triad.
Oh, whoops.
You can be in it. Take two. Here lies the triad, or what's left of it. These were actually camp triads. It's not one of those that went on tour or anything like that. They were built specifically for camp. So they'll replace them and we shall see them again in August. Here goes Krista. I'm gonna try to do the balancing act. We're heading to Hollywood.
Oh my
Woo!
We finally made it to Hollywood. That took, I don't know, an hour and a half? How long did it take
More
us?
like 3 hours.
Yes. Let's do it.
Terrible. I won't video her putting on her Ugg boots. Or maybe I will. I must have like a pound of sand in one of my shoes. I tried to cross the creek, which was a little bit overboard. And of course, my foot landed right in it.